Hey everybody, I was watching a channel, it was called Ms Lippy's, and she had her aunt's dinner roll recipe that sounded really good. So we're going to try that. I currently have some scalded milk. Right now it's showing at 122. We need to get that down to 110. Once it reaches 110, I'll bring you back and we'll go ahead and do the first combination. Okay, we are down to 110, so we're going to add 2 3/4 teaspoons of yeast, and we're going to add 1/4 cup of sugar. And I'm going to take just a whisk and do a little bit of a mix. We're going to check back on this in about 20 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to give that just a little mix. And then I'm going to add 1 beaten egg. I'm just going to scrape that out. Now we have 3 cups of flour we're going to add. And now I also want to add 1½ teaspoons of salt. It is going to be a wet dough, wetter than most bread doughs probably. And I'm just going to let this mix and knead. Alright, so this is not coming together at all in the mixer. So I am going to get this out. It is very, I've had loose doughs before, but this is way too loose. So I've got some flour out here. Maybe when you do it by hand, I don't know. I don't know why it is this wet. Maybe it's humidity related. Who knows? But she suggested not flouring the surface and just flouring your hands, but whew. Look how wet. You have to flour the surface. I'm trying to mostly flour my hands. Nope, gotta get it on the surface. It's just too runny. The gluten is definitely developing. It's got a lot of bounce to it, as you can see. Now, because I don't want to get too much flour in it, and we do have a lot of bounce to this dough, I'm going to stop. And we're going to grab the pan. We're going to get ready to roll out the rolls. You grab a cutter and we're going to get them as close to the same size as we can. And again with the flour on my hands, I just kind of want to pinch those ends together. You can roll them, but this is such a soft dough that I don't think I'm going to have to. So you can pinch in the ends. You can give them a roll on the countertop. This is so soft though, I just don't think we're going to have to. That looks like it's going to be a little big. So again, we're just going to fold this over, pinch and pinch in the ends. And I'm just going to go ahead and roll all of these and I'll see you back here. Okay, so now I'm going to just cover these with a towel and put them in the oven with the light on and let them double in size, and then we'll be ready to bake. Hey guys, I almost forgot to come back. I'd already bagged up the rolls. These are hands down the best rolls I've ever eaten. They are delicious. They are moist. They're just the best rolls I've ever eaten. I would definitely say try these.